Hi everyone, so I will be discussing Leetcode 984 problem string without AAA or BBB. So in this problem we are given two integers a and b, and we have to return any string s such that the string length has exactly a number of a characters and b number of b characters, and uh, in that string there shouldn't be any substring having triple A or triple B uh, occurring anywhere in the string S. So let's say if A is 4 and B is 1, A is 4 and B is 1. Now if basically we want 4 A's and 1 B in the output string, but let's say if we choose this A, then this is incorrect. Although it satisfies the condition that there are only 4 A's and 1 B, but um, there are three consecutive A's present here, which means that uh, this is an incorrect answer. So um, there are few things in this problem. So one thing is that if B is greater than A, then we would start with B B character. Otherwise, start equals to A. Now the reason being that let's say if B is 8 and A is 3. Now if B is greater than A, and if let's say we start with A instead of B, now we put A here, now we put A, B, 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 we cannot put third B because it would violate the condition. So then we would want to put A here also, then B and B, then A, then now here four B's are left, but no A is left. All the three A's are used. So if we are left with no choice, we would have to put these B like this only. Now this is incorrect because this violates this condition that there shouldn't be a substring with three consecutive same elements. So now instead of that, if we would have started with B, then B B A B B A B B A and B B. Now here 2, 4, 6, 8 B's are here, and only 3 A's are here. And this is the correct output in this case. So this is the first thing. The second thing is that when there are few conditions. So when we want to add A to the answer, we would want to check if we want to put two A's or just one A. Now if A minus B is greater than 1, which means that number of A's left is difference of number of A's with respect to B is greater than 1, then in that case we would want to put A instead of A. And if um, A minus B equal to 1, which um, which means that we can only put A also. A is not required, and if A equals to B, then we want to put A. So this is the first. This case is the second case, and in the third case, if we want to put B, then we have two choices: either put B or BB or B. Now, if B minus A is greater than 1, then we would want to put BB, and B minus A equal to 1, we would want to put B, and if B equals to A, then we would want to put B. So these are the few cases that we have to consider. So this is what I have done in the code also. Initially I will initialize start with A. Now if B is greater than A, then we would change start to B. The reason I have explained here. Now we would want to run our while loop until both A and B become 0. Now here if start is A, then this is the first condition, which is A is greater than B, and this is the second condition. Now if A is greater than B, there are two cases. This one is the first case, this one is the second case. So this one is the first, this is the second. Now, and the third case is here. This one is the third case. And similarly for B, I have done the same thing. And one more thing is that after appending A or A, we would want to switch the start to B, so that we basically switch between characters and don't end up getting three consecutive same substrings. Now the time complexity in the worst case is basically O of A plus B, because let's say if A and B both are equal, A and B are equal, then it would simply be O of A plus B, or O of 2A or 2B, because in those cases we would basically be just appending a single character. Let's say if A is equals to 4 and B equals to 4, then in that case we would start with A, then we would put B, then A, B, A, B, A, B. This would be our solution, and it would take O of A plus B time. And space complexity would be O of A plus B only, because we require a output string.